Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove email account from Outlook. Do you need to declutter your Outlook account or stop syncing an unwanted inbox? So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to remove an email account from Outlook web app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to outlook.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials if you're not already signed in. So in the top right corner, just go ahead and click on the gear icon. And once you click on the gear icon, it's going to take you here. Now, normally, once you click on mail from this left navigation option, you're going to find the option called sync email. But Microsoft has completely deleted and removed that sync email feature, meaning that you cannot sync third-party email accounts like Google, Yahoo, etc. in Outlook anymore. You cannot add all of those emails here. If it was then you can just, once you click on sync email, just under connected account, you're going to see the list of the account. Just locate the account that you want to remove and click on the trash icon and click on remove, and that's just going to be it. All right, but now that there is no option for you to sync email, you cannot add any email to Outlook aside from an Outlook account. That means you cannot delete any external mail from here. All right, but then once you've applied or once you've added your Outlook account, you can head over here and choose your account. And once you choose your account, you can just click on sign out and forget to completely remove that account from the list. So that's how it works. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search. And of course, don't forget to add other Outlook emails. If you want to add other Outlook emails, right, don't forget to add them here. And how do you do that? Just go ahead and click on sign in with a different account, and it's going to take you to the Outlook sign in page. And once you're there, you can just follow the prompts to add another Outlook account, and here you can just manage all of them from this window. So it's just pretty simple that way.